So bloodbath in the markets. But this is what I've been telling about for the last 3-4 months now, that the party doesn't last forever. At some stage, the party will end, the party will finish, and that is the time when the pain starts appearing. So people who bought it on the top, when everybody thought this party will never finish, eventually the market has started correcting down, and it has started going towards its fresh, its new valuations. And the PE of the Nifty, which touched about 27.8, has come to about 25.4. I think today should be below 25. And historically, we have seen that a fair valuation for the Nifty PE is somewhere around 20. So still, March looks to be the month where corrections will happen, and when you know that this is a move that is likely to happen, you are prepared better. So corrections like this, they give opportunities for you to enter again into good stocks. In fact, today I picked up a few stocks for my portfolio, and let's see here. If we check the market here, how am I doing so far? I'm pretty okay. For example, here today I booked a profit of 25,699 rupees. Yesterday was 7,000 rupees, and today is my sixth consecutive profit day. Before that, last month also the market fell down, and I had my 16 days of continuous profits, and then on 23rd February, the balloon burst. I booked a loss of 23,000, but again, the market has been kind to me. And today I booked 25,699. In this, I booked about 14,000 rupees in options trading, and I have bought some LIC housing finance right now. I believe this is an oversold counter, and nice buying opportunities can come on this one. So about 14,000 rupees of profit in my options account here. And here in my regular account, it is 7,714 rupees here. Bank Nifty, Nifty, L&T, PC Jewelers. And in cash, I found some opportunities in PNB and Reliance Infra, and I've booked 3,500 rupees in this, and now I also took the opportunity to pick up some Nifty Bs for my portfolio. So a nice day, about 25,000 rupees of profit. So let's analyze how the market is looking now. So I'll be carrying LIC housing finance till tomorrow. That is one stock I plan to carry till tomorrow. My swing, but if I get a good profit by the end of the day, well, I won't mind even finishing it today. Market very choppy. Let's see. This is the bigger picture of the market. So we saw the rally continued for almost a year, and this is the trend of the market. And the market tried to break this trend line in February, succeeded, retraced a little up, and now is comfortably breaking it on the downward side. And this looks like to be a very realistic target that I've been talking about for a few months, about 10,000, and this can be a deep correction. I don't know whether it will come or not, but one thing I know, if something can go up, it can also come down here. So this is how the market is looking at this point. And if I take the yearly average of this market, if I'm looking at the overall bigger trend, this is the bigger trend of the market, and we have seen the price behaves like a pendulum. When it goes away too far away from the pendulum, it comes back towards the center, and that's what the price is doing. It was overvalued, it had gone too much far away, and it is coming back towards its yearly average. And if it breaks this, it can start traveling in the opposite direction. I pick up this one somewhere around this one and draw a parallel line somewhere around this one. Target of 9,000 cannot be ruled out if a deep correction comes into the market here. So that's what I always say, that when you learn how to find valuations, then you will not be biased. You will trade the trend. And for the moment, even though you might want that it goes up, but the fact is it is not going up. It is moving in a downward directions, and you have to ask yourself, what strategy do I have? We sold everything right here at top, and slowly as the market is coming down, we are picking it up again. We are again picking it up, and overall the trend is big. So I have absolutely no doubt that our market is bullish and it will continue to go in an uptrend, but healthy corrections are necessary. And for the moment, the market is taking a correction. Let's look at the bigger time frame. This is the monthly chart of the market. And I see that the market is slowly coming towards 10,104. And for this market to become attractive again, at least it should come down to a 9,500 level so that fresh money can come into the market. So corrections are a good thing for the market. This market has to breathe. And if this market doesn't take the in breath, it cannot take the out breath here. So for the moment, I'm seeing that this is comfortably moving in a downward direction. And this is where the first support seems to be coming about 10,100, and even in bull runs, 38% fib correction is a very, very normal thing. So the month of March, selling is intensifying, and be looking for my short trades. That's what I've been doing, guys. For my short trades, and the way this market is selling off, I would take my 110 rupees and get out. Trade what you see, not what you think. What if tomorrow it gaps down 100 points? I don't want to do that. I can take a fresh one tomorrow again. Okay, so I finished everything, finished this account with 14,593 rupees of profit, overall about 100. 50 points almost this market went down today, more than that. And 25,699 somewhere, that's what I made into this market. I'm happy. And another advantage I have is that I'm sitting on cash. The same stocks that were available at a higher price, after some time, those stocks would be available at a lower price here. And you will get an opportunity. Let's check what is Bank Nifty. Let's check out how Bank Nifty is working. The way we looked at the index, this is the banking index, and we see banking index is also correcting. And if I look at the various levels of this one here, we see it has comfortably broken the 23 and is also coming towards a 38. And a deep correction might take it to about a 61% level. or maybe at least to about a 50% level here. So short is the name of the game, guys, and you should be trained in derivatives. The only way you can take advantage of a falling market is if you are trained in derivatives. You know the futures, you know the options, and this is the kind of money that is there. And all this money can be made while the market is falling down here. So learn it. I always believe that stock market trading is most democratic job ever, where anybody can learn the skill and become a part of the profession here. So let's see where the market closes today. And we see the market is closing about 137 points down. That's a very deep correction. And look at this large range candle. It has comfortably broken this level. Look at the level. It has comfortably broken it here. Yes. And this might be the next level that you are looking at about 10,000. Okay, guys, hope today's session was useful, and next week I'll try to make one more session. All the best for your money from this market. Small losses are okay. Try to avoid big losses in this market here. See you. Bye-bye.